Good to Excellence is your online partner to learn IELTS, PTE, CELPIP, TOEFL and English communication. Please call us on the displayed numbers for your training needs. Also, please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, and press the bell icon to get notified when we release our next video.
How to make and accept or deny invitations? How to make an invitation? Would you like to? Do you want to? Why don't we? Let's. How about? How to make an invitation? Would you like to?
Would you like to go to a movie? Would you like to join us for dinner? Would you like to have a game of tennis? Would you like to buy this item?
Do you want to?
Do you want to come with me? Do you want to watch a movie tonight? Do you want to go shopping? Do you want to visit Aunt Lena?
Why don't we?
Why don't you join us for a cup of tea? Why don't we go out to eat? Why don't we have a walk? Why don't you attend a webinar?
Let's.
Let's go to a party. Let's meet Nina. Let's go to a picnic. Let's have dinner tonight.
How about?
How about meeting in a cafe today? How about eating in a restaurant today? How about going to Goa in December? How about taking some English classes this summer?
Accepting the invitation.
That sounds good. That's a good or great idea. I would love to. I am in. I am a game. Sure. Sounds good.
Declining invitation.
I wish I could, but I have some other plans. I am afraid I cannot. I am kind of busy. Thanks for the invitation, but I won't be able to. I am really sorry. I have some other things to take care of. We are sure you liked this short video explaining how to make and accept or deny invitations. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get notified about our next video release. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. Till then, bye.